Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into SuccessFactors account online. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in www.sap.com. After you come across this official page, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then click on profile icon in the top section of your screen. Here tap on the login button. Enter the email address associated with your account. And if you do not have an account yet, then click on register link. After entering your email, click on next button. After that, you'll have to enter your password and follow through the prompts till the end and then fill in the information that is needed. So that is how you can log into SuccessFactors account online. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.